QuickBooks time tracking system will help you to organize, manage, collect, and track your employees' time. You won't have to worry about body pinching anymore. Time theft is a thing of the past too. You'll be able to manage your employees' work schedules, time off, pay policies, and overtime. This is a great way to save money and time. You're finally in control with QuickBooks Time Tracker. You're able to take proactive roles in your company's payroll solutions. The fantastic thing is that it is super easy to utilize. All of the timesheets on the internet is compatible with the QuickBooks software. The invoicing and time tracking solution is trusted by countless individuals and companies. It is a great option for small businesses, freelancers, and is not limited to even the biggest Fortune 500 companies. There's nothing to install. You have access to reporting and time tracking capabilities. You can easily track expenses and handle invoices online. There's a couple of different methods to record time. It is a great solution to find what works for you and the needs of your business. Weekly timesheets, daily time tracking, and timesheet approval along with timesheet reminders simplifies the process and saves you time. This is a useful software. You can get so much more out of your day when you are not tied up doing something that can be made virtually hassle-free in minutes. You'll have all the tools you need to make smarter business decisions instantly at your fingertips. This is a user-friendly and effective method that 50,000 and counting have added to their daily routine. There are no unnecessary functions to confuse you or cause mistakes. The whole process is simple, fast, and logical. Money is time, and that is something that QuickBooks time tracking software can help you to save. This is a highly professional looking and operating software that you only stand to benefit from. With the time and money it saves you, it virtually pays for itself. You can take the time to promote your business or take a deep breath because you can relax knowing that this vital part of your business is in order and under control. There is no doubt that this is a fantastic business tool. Anything that allows you to be more in control and save money in the economy today is vital. Do not hesitate to add this practical business tool into your strategy today.